Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to change wallpaper on iPhone. So if you want to change your iPhone wallpaper, then here are the steps to take. So if at the end of this you find this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the settings app. On the settings, locate and click on wallpaper. Now you should see your current wallpaper. Then go ahead and click on add new. Scroll down and then select your choice of wallpaper. So in this case, let's come to Pride and then set this to as a wallpaper. Once selected, you can add widget, delete camera on screen or flashlight on the screen, and then click on add at the top right. Then click on set as wallpaper pair or customize home screen. And then go back to your home screen. You should see your wallpaper like this. And on the lock screen, you should see the lock screen wallpaper like this. And then you are good. So that is exactly how to change wallpaper on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.